Asterisk Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Zubair Khan Official. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I will guide you on how to asterisk safely and officially download the Free Fire Advanced Server asterisk, also known as the Proc server. If you want to be the asterisk first to test new features, characters, guns and emotes asterisk, then asterisk make sure to watch this video till the end asterisk. First, go to the Play Store and install a simple VPN app like Tunnel Bear 1.1.1.1. Step 2. Connect the VPN asterisk. Connect the VPN to a asterisk Brazil asterisk or asterisk Switzerland asterisk server. This will help you open the advanced server website smoothly. Now search on G. I hope you're all doing we server official site asterisk or directly visit asterisk ff advance ff.garana.com asterisk. This is Garana's official website. Step 4. Login and registration asterisk. Login using your asterisk Facebook or Gmail asterisk account. If the server is open, you'll see the asterisk register asterisk option.